Alexa, describe yourself.
I can provide information, music, news, weather, and more.
Alexa, what's up?
Hello, it's 2:35 p.m. Here's what's up. It's 32 degrees and sunny. Today's forecast has partly sunny weather with a high of 32. Trending now. On Wednesday, Sri Lanka's parliament passed a no-confidence motion against the country's Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa. Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh got married in a traditional Konkani ceremony on Wednesday. For the biggest headlines, ask, what happened this week? And that's the update for now.
Alexa, play Bollywood songs.
Here's a station for Bollywood music. Top Bollywood on Amazon Music.
एक हो गए हम और तुम तो उड़ गई नींदें रे
Alexa, stop. Alexa, thank you.
Of course.